back to the channel. We're somewhere new today. Look around. We made it to St. Augustine, Florida.
First time.
Yeah, it's my first time, and we're at the. Go ahead. I can't say it. So
the Castillo de San Marcos Fort.
Yeah.
And this is I don't know if anybody knew, but St. Augustine is one of the oldest, or actually the first city in America, and the oldest.
Yeah.
And this fort, like, it's crazy. It's so cool.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, guys. With that being said, let's go and check it out. You can see it right there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go and check it out. If you look in the distance over there, look at these mansions. Then you got the bridge over here to the right. It's a pretty cool place.
It is. Some of them are doing it right. There's solar panels over there.
Look at those clouds. Hope it don't rain on us. Alright, let's head in. Alright guys, we're getting our tickets.
Hey. We just want to do two tickets.
This is the prices.
Yeah. No. Yeah, it is.
So cool.
Oh, that's worth the $30.
Oh, you can come here for 7 days straight. Wow. Oh, look at the bridge. That's really cool.
Was there a show that they did, like ghost hunting on here?
I think so.
I can't remember.
I think Ghost Hunters.
Was it here at this fort?
I think Ghost Hunters been here.
Now to think about like these walls and stuff, like.
Hey guys, comment below if do you know, was this place on an episode of Ghost Hunters? I thought it was. I don't know if you guys watched Taps. Ghost Hunters when it was on TV, but I think they did an investigation here.
Yeah, I'm busy right now.
Wow. Very cool. Look at this. It's like taking it back in the old days. Oh, look at these old guns. Right there. Look at that.
Muskets.
Wow.
See. Well, this was a prison.
Yeah.
It served as a cell for life.
Hmm. I don't know what a lot of that says. Spanish. What is it?
These are carvings of British ships when I saw them come in.
Oh, really?
Look, they did that hundreds of years ago.
Oh, wow. Look at that, guys.
Isn't it insane?
Oh, here's a good one.
Yeah, it's a fun place.
Look at this. This is so cool. You got the big old cannons over there. Some cannonballs. When you walk upstairs and check out the view from the top, it's definitely gonna be amazing. When we get up here, it's gonna be a crazy view. But yeah, this is crazy, like being the oldest city in America. Pretty insane. This is what they do to keep the birds out. They put these little spikes up here. Turns into a fake bird. That's funny. Come in here. What's this? I got like an old buggy or something. Wow. That's crazy. Look how creepy this is, guys. It's very cool. So dark in here, though. Wow. think you gotta get low. You gotta duck down right there. I don't know if I can do that. Yeah, not sure if I can get that low. Smells like an old basement.
Like the floors are like moist feeling.
Yeah, you can tell it's damp.
Yeah.
What is this? They having some lunch in here? I think they was. There are all kinds of stuff carved on the wall. Huh. Interesting.
This army used as a supply room.
It's a big room. Big empty room. They keep them imprisoned in here?
No.
Oh.
I just read it to you, goof.
Store's really cool looking. I want that for my house. That big black door right here. And these big black balls. Just kidding, I just want the door. It's in here. Ah, it's the backside, the big black door.
Oh, yes. Definitely.
This place is huge. Got some stairs over there. Very cool. This roof reminds me of the movie The Elf. That room. It's like the same color, yeah. What the hell is that? Yeah.
It's just cool what they made out of the fort.
Yeah. Well, got some fans going. Well, that sucks, guys. I mean, we try to go on top of the fort and they're like, oh, there's lightning in that area or something. Thunder. Yep. Don't look very dangerous to me. But yeah, I'm gonna ask for a refund or something. That's pretty crazy. So yeah, guys, on this next part of the video, I went up to the window, the ticket window, to ask the state park guy that sells the tickets if we could get a refund or some of our money back because they closed off the up top and we didn't get to go and enjoy a lot of it. We was only in the fort for like 10 minutes. And this guy gives me like an attitude. It's hard to hear in the video. And he like shuts the window that I was filming on me. He eventually comes back and gives a refund, which was kind of disrespectful. We try to tell him, you know, we're only going to be here for a couple hours. But yeah, he said the ticket was good for 7 days. And we drove like a few hours to get there. So we told him we wasn't going to be back. But yeah, after he seen we was filming, he gave a refund. Not sure what his issue was, but kind of unprofessional.
I spent 3 years in
We're just wondering if we could get like some of our money back or something because we can't even go up there or anything because of the weather. Yeah, but we're not gonna come all the way back. Like we're only here just for the day.
Do about like twice a month sojourns down to London. Get like a little
set for a few hours. So we got other places to go. When you just get in today? Are you serious? Can you shut the window on me?
Really?
Wow.
Okay. Wow. Alright.
Alright, guys.
You didn't marry a British one, though, did you?
Nope, I'm very
Smart.
Smarter.
Thank you.
Did you shut the window on me?
No, I have to close my window when I come out.
Oh, that's kind of rude though, man. I was talking to you. And you
No, it wasn't. Sorry, I can barely hear you on that. That microphone's broken, I think.
yeah, it's
We're open till 5:15.
Yeah, but I'm sure we gotta go to other places too, so that's why I was wondering.
Hello, my friends. Please don't play with the chain.
That's just silly. Like you just literally walk in and like, oh, weather. Okay. I don't really see it like doing much yet. Yeah, guys. This place is I watch coming here because no lightning in the area, no nothing, and we just pretty much got our money taken. Yeah, it's her birthday. We drove pretty far, and they wouldn't give a refund or even half the money back, and we literally just walked in for like 5 minutes. That is crazy. You guys see the weather? Is it super bad?
I mean, like I said, I get it as far as safety goes, but they're just really rude about it. There could have been like a better way of handling it than careful.
Yeah, I know, and I was talking to him. I tried to record a little bit because he's acting kind of weird and I just wanted proof, but he shuts the window down right in my face when we're talking.
Yeah, he's not.
Then then I called him out and he acted like, oh, I couldn't hear you. He came out the door to the side. He wasn't even trying like, oh, hey, now I can hear you. What was she saying? Nothing. Very unprofessional. Sorry guys for nagging about it, but it was just like, you know, we drove like a couple hours to get here, and for them to act that way wasn't very unprofessional. But yeah, let's see what else we can get into. That was pretty crazy.
I'm surprised they actually did that.
Yeah. So
Never mind, I'll just hand off my card.
guys, now he came back out and he's like, can I see your receipt? And he looked at the time on it. And we, yeah, he's not very nice. I think he was just doing it because he knew we had like a YouTube channel. Like he could tell we was filming, so.
Yeah, he doesn't like he gets nervous with the
Yeah, but yeah.
It wouldn't be a big deal right now.
He's gonna refund the money, so. But they could be a little nicer here. I will say that. So cool. Look at this, guys.
Pretty?
Starting to rain. We gotta get out of there. Oh, this door is cool. Is this a church or what is this?
No, that's the governor's house. It's a cultural center now.
We're going to the museum, right?
This is gonna be the Lightyear Museum over here, yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
I should drive on the right side of the road though.
That's a cool church.
I wish we could just be riding around right now. Right?
This old car, what is this?
I don't know.
Not sure. That's a cool building.
This is the front right here.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
A lot of construction. I wish the rain would stop. About to go over the bridge.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
I love the Spanish architecture. I was all over Spain so bad. My sister got
Here we
killed.
go.
Here we go.
Did she?
Oh crap! Hold on. I gotta get back over.
Don't kill us.
Try not to. I gotta get away from this bus because they're not stopping.
Oh boy.
I didn't realize. Wasn't paying enough attention apparently.
Where's the marina,
Look at
guys?
a lion. The lion's here.
ocean's over there. That's my house. There's the haunted lighthouse, guys. That was on Ghost Hunters.
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
We'll drive up to it though. We'll go over there. Water puppy farm.
Alligator farm.
Water puppy farm.
All right, it stopped raining. We're about to go eat at Romano. How do you say it? Romano's?
Romano's.
Romano's Deli and Pizza. This is the menu, guys. Not horrible.
That looks good.
We just got the garlic knots out, guys. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna make them hungry.
Smells good.
These garlic knots, you'll want to slap your mom. That's how good. That's how good they are. Probably the best like garlic knots I ever had, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
They're that good. Definitely try them. All right, guys. Look at the size of this calzone. Look at cheese.
This is a damn monster.
This is insane, guys. This is only $12 too.
For 12 inches.
That's what she said.
$1 per inch.
This is the pizza. Look how fresh this looks, guys. What is this again? What'd you order?
Benedetta White.
Benna?
Benna.
Did you say Betty White?
Benedetta. Betty White.
That would actually be a good
Betty
pizza.
White.
Yeah. Someone should do that pizza name.
I feel like
The Betty
someone's
White.
tried to. They probably can't.
Yeah. Oh man. Guys, look at this cheese.
No, I was hoping you were doing
Oh. It's still going.
it. You doing
Guys, look at this. This is the calzone. What in the... And it's good. It's real good. Alright guys, we made it to the ocean. Well, close to it. Let me show you.
Almost there.
Almost.
Almost.
But our food was delicious.
Look at it.
And I will say though, if you're gonna go there, get the garlic knots and the calzone. Delicious. Best calzone ever. Garlic knots.
Amazing.
Amazing. But what's this beach called?
St. Augustine Beach.
Oh, this is?
No, oh wait, which one are we at?
No, it's the one that starts with a C.
Stand by.
Just a second.
We're at Crescent Beach Park.
Okay. Crescent Beach Park.
And they have ghost crabs.
Really?
Ghost crabs.
Look at this, guys. Are you coming?
Yeah.
This looks beautiful though.
Ghost crabs.
They have a North Atlantic right whale. Grows to be 55 feet with an average weight of 60 tons.
I can live to be 60 years old.
That's crazy.
I don't really have them out here. That's cool. I'll show my feet.
I will.
You just
Sorry.
vlog my feet. I don't like them.
Feet pics.
I don't need them.
This is cool. It's like really like nice beach.
Let me just roll my pants up though. My pants are...
Feels great out here.
Oh, that's nice.
Ooh, it is sunny. Let's go to the ocean. You ready to swim? In a white shirt.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Because you're going to see me go in the ocean like that.
Uh-huh.
Look at the little birdies.
Ooh, this feels good. It's actually not really like super cold. This is nice. I like this. I actually like this beach a lot. It's very nice. It's a cool vibe. They're calling your name. They're calling you. Never thought I'd be vlogging while I'm in the ocean water. Just out here. Woo! That got me wet. I didn't bring no swimming trunks or anything, so that sucks. Tell you what though, it's really nice for a hurricane just coming through here and everything. You would think it'd be like a lot more like stuff in the ocean and everything, but no. Very cool. Woo! Should have brought glasses. But yeah, guys, St. Augustine, I like it. Different kind of vibe. Oh, wait, about got me. Happy 33rd birthday to this one right here.
Thanks.
Mine's coming up in December. Getting old out here. 7 years, I'll be 40. No. What all did you get?
A bunch of little seashells.
Yeah, there you go.
Seashells. I feed
That's
them
what
in.
she got.
So far.
So many. Look at the footprints. Mine looks like Bigfoot. Just came out of the ocean. Maybe that's where he lives. Alright guys, we're at the St. Augustine Lighthouse station. This place was on Ghost Hunters when I was on TV. Taps investigated here. But look how cool these trees are when you walk in. Very cool place. It's creepy though. I think right here's the museum. Man. That is really cool looking. Look at that. Wow. Like you see the lighthouse through the trees. So neat. But yeah, that lighthouse is super haunted. There's like shadow figures walking up the stairs and making the lights come on and everything. So it's neat being here. Definitely come check it out if you're in. Oh, they're closed? Damn. I'm gonna get a shot of the lighthouse though.
Yeah, but it's closed. I don't want to get it.
No, from the fence.
Oh, from right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's closed. I was like, I bet you it's closed.
Look at this, guys. So freaking cool. All right, guys, we're headed to, what's this street called?
St. George.
St. George Street.
We're already here.
Well, yeah. Not, well, we're here, but we're not in the main section yet, so. You wanna go in this clothes store?
Yep.
Yes. Ooh. This is that smell I'm talking about.
Oh, you're such a weirdo.
I love this smell. It smells like an old basement. There he is. Got this little ice cream shop. Look at this. This is cool. It smells so like vintage, old basement smell. You guys want some cigars? There you go. Look at this, guys. This is all earrings. What? Like, how do you even pick? Look at all the necklaces. What in the world? That's insane.
Look cool.
They have a pirate shop here, guys. If you need to turn into Johnny Depp, there you go. Go to the pirate store. Ooh, chocolate's fudge. Ice cream shop right there. What? Yeah, we can go. Ooh, look at this guy. Oh, look at his head. Oh, you guys see that big old, like,
That's cool.
octopus? Very cool.
I know, I love it.
Wow. A steampunk vibe. That is neat.
Look at him.
Oh yeah, it's like a flamethrower or something. It's a neat little area. Wow.
It's pretty funny, right? That's because she's your mother, not your mother.
We have to be Judy and I always have to be together.
This is cool. What kind of bag is this? So neat.
How are you? Good, good. Oh, this is, yep, there's the boots I need in my life. I need to find a pair like that for work though.
Yeah, this is really neat. Such a vibe down through here, that's for sure. Oh wow, Brooklyn, New York pizza. Look at this.
Oh boy, I can't look at food. It looks so good, but I can't.
We're looking.
Oh, there's so
Stuff
much.
everywhere. Little Rottweiler right there.
We love Russ. So cute. Good looking one too.
Yeah. It's a taco shop, Patty's.
Uh-oh. You're in trouble. We're in trouble.
What's this?
Have you ever been to Earthbound?
No.
Well, let's go. This is my store.
Yeah.
What is that there?
What is that? Ooh.
Oh, we need
Okay, this building's cool looking. It's a beer and wine place.
There's a snack shack.
Yep.
There's some cafe.
Look at this guy up here.
Let's see how much it is.
What in the world?
What?
That guy.
I know, it's funny. That's where the museum is. Oh, wait, there.
It's so cool in here. I'll show you guys going to the restroom, but look on you. Haha. It's beautiful. Ooh, what's that house over there? Wow.
Remember, we got a lot to see over here.
Look how cool.
I know. You got medieval torches.
We're trying to find a restroom. That one's out of order, so yeah. That's the only thing. It's hard to find a restroom around here. Where are we going? Where are you going?
If we brought the puppies.
Free dog treats?
If we brought them.
Wow. They would go nuts over that.
You can literally rent this for $20.
Look at the picture.
That is so cute. That would be Toby. That would be Toby. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. Hi, how are you? Good. What? The boys.
I'm digging that St. Augustine vibe though. Very cool. Look, they got what's the thing for Beetlejuice.
Freaking Barbara.
That's funny. Old time ice cream. Another ice cream place right here.
What's waffle company?
Ooh. This is really like it here.
Me too.
It's cool. In the
Wish
evening.
stuff was more open. Is it open now? I hope we don't miss anything like other shops.
Up here. This place. So cool.
No.
You can tell these places are like just so old, but they took care of them, you know, like really well.
I know. Where's the schoolhouse too? I like Vancouver too.
Yeah.
Shipping. I think, honestly.
So much to see. Stuff everywhere.
I thought that schoolhouse too. Also the frozen sunshine with lemonade.
Goodness. Right here.
No, not today. Thank you though. Alright.
Looks so good. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Don't that look amazing, guys? That's crazy. Look at this, guys. This is the oldest schoolhouse in the United States. Wow. Got an old anchor holding it down. Wow.
In the window.
That's so cool. You can tell I'm a fat ass, guys. Look at this. This place is shut down, but I want inside. Definitely want to be inside that. Oh, they got like a waffle. Ooh. Damn. Very cool. Oh. It really is. this house, like building. All right, I think that's going to be it from St. Augustine and Mercedes' 33rd birthday. So everyone in that comment section, go and tell her happy birthday.
Thanks in advance.
But yeah, guys, until next time, now it's time to go back to
Reality.
see you later, guys.
Bye.